Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. This is your host Aijaz Freedi from Pakistan. Yes, whenever some opportunity comes, so I think that it must be shared to all of you so that as most people as they can get benefit from this channel, they can get. So today we are going to discuss another exciting Today we are going to discuss another exciting opportunity from Europe and Italy. So it's a top class university which is offering its fully funded PhD programs and number of departments that will come in this video we will discuss in detail. Okay, so the university name is CT Pescara. It's in Italy. So it has announced its 41st cycle PhD position which are fully funded. It's a top class university, and the university, a little bit about university here, and then we go for the information of this scholarship. The University of Chieti Pescara, a prestigious public research institution in Italy, has announced a call for applications to 147 fully funded PhD positions. It's a very good number. 147 fully funded position have been announced for its 41st cycle for the PhD students or doctoral programs. These positions are open to international and domestic students across different research fields. This is a wonderful opportunity to pursue advanced academic research in one of the Italy's leading institutional universities. So this is the university main building, and it's Italian flag here as well. It's shown. Okay, so general information about this scholarship is it is offered by University of Chieti Pescara, Italy, and it is 41 cycle for year 2025-26. Number of position, as we have discussed before, a good number of positions have been announced in different departments, different subject areas. 147 positions have been announced. Good number of positions. So you must try and apply for it. The students who have acquired equivalent to the master degrees in Italian, they can apply. In third world countries, we can say that education equal to 18 years, but in European side or other world countries, 16-year master. So master degree students equivalent to a master degree which is equivalent to Italian masters, they can apply. In third world countries, that's 18 years of education. So what are the programs offered? Let's talk about this now. Number of programs are offered by this universities in which this PhD programs fully funded scholarship has been announced. So agricultural sciences, neurosciences and imaging, biomolecular and pharmaceutical sciences, medical biotechnologies, engineering science, economics and statistics, English studies. So you can do the PhD in English as well. Psychology, cultural heritage studies, business and behavioral sciences, molecular oncology and tumor immunology, innovative strategies for well-being, translational medicine, social sciences, legal sciences for sustainability, and kinesiology. Okay, and many more. You can go through the pages which the link I will provide in the description, that which courses have been covered by these 47 positions, or in other way, in which courses these positions have been announced. So detail will be provided in this video as well, and in the description I will provide a link as well. So duration of the scholarship is 3 years. It's starting from 1st of November 2025. Application deadline is very important to note, 20th of August 2025. There is an application fee, unfortunately, 40 euros, non-refundable. So this is the Applica link through which you can make your login and you can apply. Okay, so what is the eligibility requirements? As we know, you must have equivalent to the Masters of Italian system to apply for this scholarship or hold a foreign academic qualification that is recognized as equivalent to the Italian second degree, that is master degree. That should be equivalent, you should hold equivalent to the Italian master degree, then you can apply. Okay, so late applications will not be entertained. And then application process in this university, the application process consists of two-stage process. What is that two-stage process? So first is pre-selection. So initially a pre-selection list will be provided. A minimum 15 marks should be taken out of 25 to pass, and then there will be oral interview. So if you qualify both of these, then if your score is minimum of 60 out of 100, then you are qualified for this. Okay, so online applications can be submitted through this link of Pika. First you make your registration on Pika web Pika link, and then you can apply through this link for this wonderful scholarships. So what are the required documents? These are the required documents as just like other Italian university scholarships, PID scholarships. So similar documents you can see: CV, valid passport, degree certificate, transcripts, and research proposal you should provide as well, and language proof, English proficiency, language proof. And another good thing for this university is that most of the courses are in English for this university. So international students, if they are interested, so I want to mention that most of the courses are in English in this university. So it's a very good sign. So you must apply for it. Okay, so application fee we have already discussed, 40 euros. And other notes which are good to discuss here: files should be in PDF format and they should not exceed 30 MB. No document updates are allowed after the deadline. You cannot update your documents. Selection procedure, as we already have discussed, there are two steps, two stages. Okay, so evaluation will also take place of different your academic degrees, and then there will be an interview as well. Okay, so what are the funding provided by this scholarship? So as like the other Italian universities, so the same rate is for here, and additional funding will be provided if you go abroad during your studies, and there will be 50% increase of funding. And 20th of August is its deadline to apply. And another thing is that some multiple applications are allowed for this. So what are the additional notes? Multiple application can be allowed for different departments, but each must be submitted separately with its documents. So if you are applying to more than one programs, then you have to apply on that program and also submit your documents as well. So there are some positions which are without scholarships in this call. So the students which are going to be accepted for those without scholarship positions, they will only have to pay only 150 euros per year for their fees. So this is a very good chance. So it's a nice opportunity. Everyone should apply who is interested in going for a PID abroad, especially in Europe, just like Italy. Okay, so this is the email where you can contact for any more information. And for more details, you can check this website from this university. So this university link here, you can get more information. Okay, so now we discuss about the courses details a little bit in detail, not a lengthy one, but a little bit. It's better that you have some idea how your application process will go, and in which area you will write the project proposal. So just like it's the first area, accounting, management and business economics, a number of positions will also be mentioned in this one. So this is 3 years program, so you can go through. These are the different subject areas which are going to be complete, which are going to be entertained in this area. Okay, so A mandatory visiting period abroad of at least 6 months is also, and that's mandatory for this area. So this area is accounting, management, and business economics. You can go through these all points that your doctoral thesis or dissertation should, that can be your topic or not. So you can go through. Similarly, the and it's all as information is provided here. 6 positions are advertised this time in this cycle for this area. And next is so let's, you can see here English language knowledge is required. So these are, most of the positions are in English. So the date for publication of pre-selection, that will be 11th of September. Okay, so similarly you can go through all these notes here which have been provided in PDF format. I will give the link in the description where you can download easily and you can check your area. Most of the positions are in English. So best of luck for this. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe and this channel and share this video and like it, please. Thank you very much.